Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We'd greatly appreciate if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we'll be taking a look at this Tudor Black Bay 32 S&G, reference number 79583. This one, black dial with what they call S&G, the steel and gold variant, with a bracelet, as you can see. All right, again, the reference number 79583. I'll be going over the case, the dial, the bezel, as well as the crown functions, the movement, and the bracelet. I'll be giving you my thoughts on these throughout this video. So starting off with this case, as in the name, Black Bay 32 millimeters from finger to thumb, from 2 o'clock to 8 o'clock position. 32 millimeters is the diameter, same as the 10 to 4. Same diameter, same distance, same 32 millimeters. You have a full stainless steel case construction here, high polish along the sides here, no crown guards, no need for them, and a satin brush finishing on the front of the case, as evident on the fronts of these lugs, as you can see, tapering down very nicely down to the integrated bracelet here. All right, same as on the front, on the top lugs as well. All right, and also sitting on the front of this case, the yellow gold bezel, which you can also see, also has the same sort of satin brush radial, or not radial, a circular finish. It follows the circle of the bezel, sort of giving it a softer look, not quite as pronounced as, say, a full-on high polished bezel. So it gives a very interesting characteristic sense of warmth, very, very welcoming and inviting for a watch a little bit more subtle, a bit more on the subtle side when it comes to the look, but no less elegant. And certainly with the black dial here, black and gold just go together very well to give you a sense of class and elegance unparalleled by any other sort of color combination, honestly. Sapphire crystal on the front to give you that scratch resistance as well, so you can see into the dial nice and easy. You have this dial combination very much like a maxi style dial, something that you would find on, say, a no-date Submariner, for example, from Rolex. You have the dot hour markers for all the intermediate hours. 12 o'clock is a large triangle with stick markers for 3, 6, and 9 respectively. All right, nothing too extra here. Minute track at the edge, as well as 18 karat yellow gold hands and applied indices, so that you can basically continue to wear this without it tarnishing over time. The luminescence applied onto those, if I turn out the lights here, nice bright green, incredibly bright. It's clipping my highlights like crazy on my monitoring here. So incredibly bright. It lasts not quite as long as the Chromolite from Rolex, but still no slouch when it comes to that brightness. Incredibly easy to see, incredibly easy to read, even with that inverted square for the little dot on the seconds hand as it moves around, also illuminated. All right, and also very indicative of the Tudor watch. You see that you have the what is known as the snowflake hand for that hour hand, very recognizable, and certainly, you know, no less a Tudor there. When it comes to the functionality of this watch, simply unwind the crown at the 3 o'clock position. This allows you to wind the watch, so if you're at a dead stop, about 20 to 30 full winds is all you need to get to the full power reserve. Rather simple there. Pull the crown out to the next position and the only other position, and you can stop that seconds hand, giving you the hacking function, so you can then place the minute hand precisely wherever it needs to go based on the position of that seconds hand. Once you have it lined up nice and easy, and also synchronized with an atomic clock, just press the crown back in to start up that seconds hand once more, and screw it back tightly against the case to ensure the water resistance down to 100 meters or 500 feet below sea level, so you can go swimming with this, no problem. Certainly more on the sports watch side. I'd give it sort of like a combination or hybrid between an Oyster Perpetual and a Submariner from Rolex. All in one model, the 32 millimeter version from Tudor. And taking a look here, the movement, not much information on it, but it is the caliber T600, sort of an outsourced movement. I believe it's their version of a Sellita, or it could be an ETA movement. If anyone knows, let me know down in the comments below. I haven't been able to find any definitive evidence saying either way, but, you know, anyway. all that matters is that basically it gives you a power reserve of up to 38 hours. So that means about a day and a half. So you can continue to wear this watch about every other day and you're good to go. All right. You can set this down on a Friday evening. You can pick it back up on Sunday for a nice leisurely stroll, and no need to wind the watch because the automatic winding will allow you to continue to wind it based on your movement of the movement of your wrist. All right. Now, taking a look at the bracelet here, this is the only bracelet offered on this watch or on the Black Bay 32 or 36 or 41s with the SNG signifier. So the steel and gold versions all come with a Jubilee style bracelet. So you have the 5-piece link across look here, with the sort of intermediate links being a sort of switching off between steel and yellow gold. So the outer links being a satin brush steel, the 2 links inside of those satin brush yellow gold with a high polish steel down the center. Quite interesting from them to do this, but very indicative of Tudor watchmaking in general. So I wouldn't expect anything less from the sister company from Rolex. You also have the safety clasp here with the lock on the front with the Tudor logo. Just lift it from the bottom to open the lock and then just pull it open. And there you go. Nice, good, easy, and clean operation here with the fold over clasp. And while I'm here, I can try it on and give you my thoughts as to how it wears on my wrist. 7 inches in circumference, right? So 32 inches or 32 millimeters, sorry, is sort of on the smaller side of mid-size watches. So I could potentially wear this if I were into smaller watches. For me, 36 would be the perfect size, but 32, no slouch either. And with the yellow, gold, and black appearance here, it gives it a very distinct look, very distinguished as well, with the sort of classy black and gold coloration. Looking at it straight down the wrist here, the lugs very much hug my wrist at least. If you have a smaller wrist, maybe 5 or 6 inches in circumference, you'll have a little bit more space. But if you have the S&G, the steel and gold version, the bracelet is incredibly comfortable. It's just like a Jubilee bracelet from Rolex. Feels very nice, supple on the outside, even better on the inside. And basically, there's very, very low tolerance on these links here. So there's basically no chance that this would ever pinch your skin, pull your hairs out, or anything like that. It's incredibly comfortable. It vents the wrist very nicely, actually. I can actually feel the air moving over my wrist here. It feels very, very nice, comfortable. And again, looking at it straight on, just looks very good on the wrist. Even though my wrist is a bit big for this one, I haven't taken any links out. This is full links, so it fits me perfectly. If you have a smaller wrist, you'll probably have to take out maybe 1 or 2 links. If you have a larger wrist, you may need to add links to this, or just upgrade to the 36 or even the 41 millimeter versions. Videos for those coming soon if they're not already up here. All right, so enough of what I think. What do you guys think about this watch? Let us know down in the comments below what you think about this Tudor Black Bay 32, reference number 79583. This one, the steel and gold version with the black dial. There are other options such as the champagne colored dial, or even this version with leather or even fabric straps, all supplied from Tudor, different model numbers or slightly different reference numbers, but same model case. All right, so if you happen to enjoy this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when we go live with another video like this one. And as always, if you'd like to purchase this watch or any other watch, visit our store at jazztime.com. Links in the description below, where you can get it for the lowest possible price anywhere online. If we don't have this one because we already sold it, we can get another one for you, no problem. All right, thanks and take care. We'll see you in the next video.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.